It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! Happy December 1st. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's totally starting. So I got online early this morning and I must have been on like before 6:30, and I saw that they had added a couple of fall candles to the Bath and Body Works website. I just looked like a couple minutes ago and I'm like, wait a minute. All of the Candle Day candles are now online, 173 candles. So I'm going to do a quick video here of the newest updates, and then throughout the day, I'll be doing a couple of reviews. So today is a confusing day because they actually have a men's body care sale going on for $5.95. I would just hold off until body care day, which is going to be this next weekend, and focus on Candle Day because there is so much happening for Candle Day right now. So what they've done is they've added all of the new candles that are being released for Candle Day, the mashups, the spring collection, Tipsy Elf, which I know everyone wants, the wrapping paper candles, the body care candles. And they've also added in a lot of the fall candles like banana walnut muffin, pumpkin apple, pumpkin peanut brittle. I actually think these might be even more popular to a lot of people than some of the Candle Day candles, because I know a lot of people wanted the fall candle at the end of fall. They just didn't get them, or they were sold out. And this is definitely, the time to shop. So I'm getting a lot of messages on my comments. A couple of people said they're getting texts from Bath and Body Works with the price, which is $9.95. I thought it was going to be $9.95. It appears that that is now confirmed. I haven't gotten a text or an email yet. But it appears that the texts usually take a long time to roll out to like millions of people. So who knows when you're going to get a text or a notification. It does not look like they have updated the app yet. I keep checking like every 5 minutes. All they have is annual Candle Day event on here. But a lot of people are getting notification now about that $9.95 price point, which is basically what I've said. I always say use the $10 to do your budgeting. It just makes it easier. And then you either save a couple cents or, you're off a little bit, but it's all good because you can start your budget. So what I would do right now is make sure that you are signed up as a rewards app member. I'm actually going to sign in right now because everyone can see these candles, which is interesting. I wasn't sure if anyone could see them or if only the rewards members could see them, but I was not logged into Bath and Body Works and I could see all the candles. And it's funny because there were 173. Now there's 172. I'm like, what the heck? What just left? But a lot of people are going to be trying to get the Tipsy Elf, the French Baguette, the Wine Cellar. The fall candles will probably sell out first. Your bourbon maple, your leaves, sweet cinnamon pumpkin, because a lot of people still love fall candles, and a lot of people want to stock up so they have those to burn throughout the year. I am actually looking right now, and it doesn't look like they have all of the candles online at the moment. I'm trying to see if there's all of them for Candle Day. It's really hard to tell. There's quite a few, though, because I'm looking at the first page. If you sort new arrivals, you'll see a lot of the new ones. I thought there was supposed to be a group of White Barn candles coming. White tea and jasmine, is that new, you guys? I'm seeing white tea and jasmine up there. That's an interesting one that I don't think I've seen, but I could be wrong. But it's a little bit confusing on the website because they've added in all of these fall candles. So, like I had said, as I lean over here, Bath and Body Works had sent me 12 candles to start with for Candle Day. So basically what I'm going to do throughout the day, I think I'm going to light one of these up. I actually have to run out. I may stop into Bath and Body Works if I have time just to see what is out there, if there's anything happening right now. But there's going to be a lot going on today. So like I said, to get ready, I would set your budget, figure out your game plan for tomorrow. Are you going to get there at 5 a.m.? Are you going to wait a little bit? I usually recommend getting there a little bit later. I never get there at 5 a.m. I don't like getting up early. I don't know. If it's really crowded, I may not even go in because, as everyone knows, my husband just had a stem cell transplant, and we're a little bit worse on the germy thing than most people. So I'm a little bit nervous about being around large crowds, which is why I'm so thankful that Bath & Body Works actually sent me 12 of these candles, because now I can get started reviewing them for you. I feel like Candle Day came early for me. Thank you so much, Bath & Body Works. This totally made my year. But I will be here. I'm going to go through a lot of these scents. There's a lot of exciting stuff happening. They're also doing, I think, a $1 pocket bag sale today in stores that no one's even looking at. Everyone's like, Candle Day! So anyway, it is going to be a fun day. Tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, we should be able to start buying the Candle Day candles, so start loading your cart now. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.